If you ever thought that Christianity is boring, you run. You run. Absolutely run. I don't know from where you get those ideas. I don't know from where you get those things. We have a lot of exciting people. We know how to deal with awkward situations. We know how to deal with things that come into our life that we never expected to happen. That it has been very painful, and yet there's something within us. There's a force that is more powerful than any force. There's a thing that takes us to the highest level that you never think that is happened, which is that faith, that believing that Christ is in us, that Christ is with us, that Christ always will be with us regardless of the good time or the bad time.